Morning Idea Patents presenting to you lovely Fatbob pre 2018 version, all waterproof LEDs, turn signals on your boxes like you guys wanted. Finally done it. Flagpost with LED, the touring box with LED. The whole kit looks nice. Other things that we have done on this bike are the heel shifter, the footboards, mini footboards, heel shifter on the gear lever, extra wide windshield. That's what looks nice on this bike since it's got a very wide feel. So extra wide windshield, of course adjustable for height, tilt and angle, forward and back. What else? The bike all the three boxes have racks, so you can carry more luggage. It's got inner bags. It's got inner bags, so you just basically reach your destination, remove the inner bags. While moving, you just put the inner bags in. Hope you guys like it. Let me try and give you a 360 degree. Heat shields. Extra big, extra large heat shields on the bike. It also has side LEDs. The boxes have side LEDs, and as I said, the Flagpost also has LED. Lovely it looks. Thank you guys. Hope you like it. Bye.